Think communication in relationships is overrated. Think again. Let me show you why talking is your ticket to a stronger bond. Imagine this. You and your partner, sharing not just moments but thoughts, dreams, even those quirky little fears. That's right. The not-so-secret ingredient to a thriving relationship is open communication. It's not just about chatting over coffee or discussing your day. It's about diving deep into what makes you tick, what scares you, and what fires you up. Building trust through words and crafting intimacy with every shared secret. And hey, it doesn't need to be heavy. Start simple. How about a daily 10-minute powwow? Just you two, swapping stories or planning dreams. Trust me, these moments, they're gold. They turn me and you into an unbreakable us. So if you're ready to give your love life a turbo boost, remember, communicate, trust, and keep the conversation flowing. And if you loved these tips, smash that like button, share this with your favorite couples, and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship secrets. Thanks for watching.